So recently, I had a question about creating a rib on the side of a hollow cylinder. I'm going to go through some of the problems faced by the user and how we can solve them. For the first scenario, I have prepared a sketch on the front plane. This end of the line is below the top face of the cylinder. The other end of the line does not exceed the extent of the flange. Go to Create, Rib. Select the sketch as a profile. For extent type, the default option is set to Next. Adjust the distance. In this case, we do not experience any issues. The rib fully extends to the cylinder and the base without penetrating to the other side. Let's delete the rib. The problem comes when the sketch points coincide with the extreme ends of the solid. Let's drag this point to coincide with the top face. Repeat the rib command. If we adjust the distance, we get a completely different behavior and we see this warning. Let's follow the advice of the warning and set the extent type to distance. Once we do this, we get an option to adjust the depth. Adjust this until the rib fully fills the gap. After this, adjust the thickness. So this seems to solve the problem. Do note that this produces a straight edge here. Depending on your needs, this may or may not pose a problem. We will come back to this later. Let's try to drag the other end of the line to the edge of the flange. This results in another straight edge at the bottom. The important point to take note when it comes to using the rib command is that it always wants to extrude in a direction perpendicular to the sketch plane, so it is not going to follow these circular edges. One way of making this rib is to use the Revolve command. I have prepared a sketch triangle here. Go to Create, Revolve. Select the triangle as the sketch profile. For axis, select the cylindrical face. Set direction to symmetric. Adjust the angle. With this method, we will be able to nicely follow the circular edges. The problem with using Revolve is that the side walls of the rib will be at an angle to each other. If this is not what you want, you can create a sketch on the top plane and cut it to shape. Also take note that this face will not be flat as compared to using the rib command. Hope that this addresses some of the difficulties of creating a rib on the cylindrical face. I will see you in the next one.